Thank you so much, Idol. And I join. I join your membership. Yes. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Idol. And of course, this one is, how many minutes we have? Wow, ang bilis ang oras. And oh my god, naka-35 minutes. Nakaka-35 minutes now. Thanks so much all for shopping. Thanks so much. And of course, I really appreciate it. Right now, we got almost like 1:79 watching around the world. Thank you so much. And of course, right now, we try to stay 1 hour for today, okay? Yes, thanks. Yes, Idol, it's okay. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Yes, because thanks so much for always like the support. That's a small thing. And of course, I got here in America. Thank you so much. Yes, at nagbibenta na rin ako ng mga kung ano pang sa kabuhayan. Okay, makakain na nga ng saging. Inaantok kasi ako. I want some coffee, but baka hindi naman ako makatulog, Idol. Kasi parang meron akong bad habit for sleeping. So, siguro sobrang takaw ko sa coffee. So that's why nakatulog ako umaga. If I'm saying ingat ka, okay? If you're driving right now, just focus to your drive. And regards and good train. Peace and more blessing. Maraming salamat. Ligay ko rin sila. Pakubusin ko ng saging na to. Matuloy sila ba? Medyo aray ko. Sakit. Lagay muna. Makayang muna ako ng minit ang aking mga paaba. Ang hindi na pagkamatanda na. Dami ng nararamdaman. Hindi na control ang nararamdaman. I don't think you so much, okay? Maraming salamat sa yung stay. Tapusin ko na yung 1 hour, Idol. Ang tabayanan pa lang yung mga nag-shopping sa ating mga affiliate product. Hindi mo ako ng bamot. Kasi ang sakit, 199 viewers, thank you to all that they are ice shopping. Thank you so much, Kuya, for all our shoppers. Thank you. And the Samsung, brought to you by Kupang. This t-shirt is really good. And try this one. And of course, the logo I like is Adidas and 100% cotton. Thank you. Check out. Brought to you by Kupang. Wow. Thank you. Ay, idol, diba? Thank you. Lumaki ako. Parang, gusto mo ba ako ay idol? Thank you so much for our 40. Yes, naka 40 minutes na tayo nalibang ako. And of course, Idol answer what? Then let me go this one. And of course, this one, the best day ever at Discovery Cove Orlando. Wow, napakadaming place mo. Ang mga napupuntahan din, Idol, no? And Senorita Cristina, muchas gracias. Thank you so much for coming. And I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Wow, that's a shark. Baby shark. And 177, thank you. And we got almost like 41 minutes, thank you. Wow, imagine that. That's a starfish? How is it a starfish bar? They are friendly, ah. Wow. Sa Pilipinas, parang masarap i-paxillian ba? O masarap pa siyang, parang masarap siyang what you call that? Ang sarap niyang ipilito ba? Yes, I do, thank you. And of course, right now we got almost like 171. Thank you so much. And of course, you always love to go at the... Wow, this is like indoors resort. Ang ganda, Idol. It looks like a natural. Wow, amazing. And you have a cave inside. Wow. So, ang dami rin mga... Imagine that. Ang dami rin mga guard. Yes, mga divers. Thank you. Nag-apply ako sana akong dyan. It looks like a real cave, but this one is a man-made cave. It looks natural. Wow. Diba? Oh, saan ka pa? One day I wanna go there. We got almost like 150 watching. Thanks so much for all our shoppers. Please, you can check it out and I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for the song, Visayas, and for me, in Korea, in Japan, thank you so much, and go for Arigato.